Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to copy and paste images in Microsoft Paint in 2026. First, open Microsoft Paint on your Windows computer. Then click File and choose Open to open the image you want to edit. Now click the Select tool from the top toolbar. Use your mouse to select the part of the image that you want to copy. After selecting the area, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. You can also click the selected area and choose Copy. Next, press Ctrl+V to paste the copied image. You can paste it in the same Paint window or open a new Paint window and paste it there. Once the image is pasted, click and drag it to move it anywhere on the canvas. You can also resize the pasted image using the corner handles if needed. If you want to make multiple copies, simply press Ctrl+V again. Each time you press it, another copy of the image will appear. After finishing your edits, click File and choose Save or Save as to save your image. That's it. This is the easiest way to copy and paste images in Microsoft Paint in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.